The head element, as I described, is primarily about metadata, information that the browser will use but not necessarily display to the user. And one exception to that is the title. This is where you put the title of your document. And this element often gets displayed in the tab or the window bar of the browser, and also is used a bit in search engine optimization. So search engines, as they're looking at documents, will look at the title to see if it's relevant and to harvest that information. The meta tag, which you can have many of, allows you to specify metadata about the document. This might be keywords or descriptions and things of that nature. Can also be the equivalent of HTTP headers. So you can have information in there as well that might normally be at the protocol level. But typically you'll use this for those keywords, for information about the author and the description and those sorts of things, such that the browser can use them, but often they won't be displayed. We also have the script element where we can specify inline script, usually JavaScript, to allow you to create interactive pages and manipulate your markup after it's been rendered. I have the style element, which allows you to create inline style definitions using cascading style sheets. This allows you to apply to the body elements different styles such as positioning, colors, alignment, those sorts of elements. And we have a whole course on styles, cascading style sheets, where you can get more information on that. And we have courses, several different courses on JavaScript if you want to learn more about creating interactive pages. We also have the link element. This is where we can tell the client that there are other documents related to this one. And so the link will have both a relationship that might say it's the previous document or page, it's the next page or the contents. Often this gets used for linking in those style sheets and scripts as they've been created in external files. This allows those styles and those scripts to be reused across pages and gives you a nice separation of your markup file that has your data and information in it and your styling and interaction and scripting in separate files. So the link will often pull those in. We also have a base element, and this really provides for the browser an indication of what the base URI or URL is for any links in the page that are relative. So a link might say, I'm a link to first.html. Well, what's the base address for that particular item? If it's not specified here, the browser will make some assumptions based on what the current address of the document is, but you can use the base tag to give it a specific base address you want it to use for all those relative links.